Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present to you the new chapter of Her Mountain, Her Sea, chapter 69. So here it is. Let's read the story. You, I haven't seen you doing a questions every day. In the past few days, you are guarding me. Want to watch me doing questions? Tang, I'm afraid he won't learn back down for a few days. Oh, she was really sweet. Generally speaking, if you have a firm grasp of knowledge, that studying for a few days will not lead to decline in performance. Oh, looking at it, she was really serious. Right now, Chitang can do anything but just to follow her. Sister Wei said, Chitang, I can live without you. You must get well soon, baby. Oh, right now. Chitang said to her, help me. Yuan Yuan said, Chitang, I want you to become dead. Oh, she was really crazy. What a good friend she is. Right now, it's been cruel. Well, hearing this, Chitang said, please restrain yourself and stop making such a disgusting remarks. Now, she really gets mad and replied to her friend. Right now, Chitang, seems that she is getting better. She was really laughing. Great, she is in recovering slowly, Yu said to herself. But she think of, is she really recovering from these things? The girl in the ward seems to have heard her father have eliminated someone, woman, a child. He was so heartbroken. Yes, she said she saw the scenes with her own eyes. Oh, this nurse, they're really gossiping and they're working. Right now, the two of them suddenly stop. Wow, doesn't that leave a psychological shadow? The nurse is speaking. Right now, Yu, she was holding her hands tightly. Oh, what a good friend she is right now. She was always there for her, especially this hardship. Since she already has the hands of Chitang, two of them walking away, holding each other's hand. Well, Yu, she was really a great friend for Chitang. Well, this is the things. Donors suddenly become awkward. Ah, a little girl heard it. This is too embarrassing. Donors can see her because they're really too embarrassed. The comments that they've been through when they outside of the hospital, still feeling dizzy. She was asking her, and Chitang said, I'm fine. Oh, at least the two of them are outside the hospital. Now Yu suddenly said, then get some sun. Oh, right now, Chitang. She was sitting on the bench. Probably she really wants to feel the sun. Right now, she's looking there. She was only seeing from above. Well, this is really good. Her psychological capacity is really too strong. Doctor said you can be discharged from the hospital in a week. Have you decided where to go? Yu is asking her, but Chitang, she was really silent. And right now, she only wants to see the sky. Answered to the question and said no. Oh, does it means that she don't know or she don't want to go to anything? On the eve of being discharged from the hospital, Chitang suddenly left alone. Oh, it turns out when she came in, Chitang was not there. Well, where does this girl go? She's a little bit crazy. She is trying to hide from her. Where have you been? Is asking her. Went to see my mother, stay with her for a while. I will come back before the test. Oh, it turns out, Chitang, right now, she really know how to lie. Where did she going right now? Seeing from the venue, she was really traveling farther away from the city. Where do you want to go? I don't know. Just want to escape from Nanlin, Chitang said to herself. Well, this is really tricky. When she got arrived on the other town, it was already night. She want to go to the place where no one's know. Well, right now, Chitang, she was really brave, looking around in the other places and without knowing anyone. Of course, he can really use some guts. But right now, she was really brave to tackle this problem. She was sitting on the bench and looking for the boy who was playing guitar on the stage. Dear sister, I see you have been sitting here for a long time and had a quarrel with the family. So this man, seeing that you don't look happy, can you sing? Let's go to the KTV and wait. Chitang answered to the man, I do not know you. Well, she was really right. She don't need to go to anyone, especially during this time. The man seems to be worried and said, "Didn't get me wrong, I see you looking confused and sad, so I came over to chat with you. But it's good for a little girl for you, at your age, to stay outside and be vigilant." Right now, Chitang, she looks really unhappy. She answered to the man and said, "Alright." Chitang suddenly became sad, and now she really missed Chitang. The two of them are singing on the stage. Like a Baikal, Chitang, she was really sure about singing her wordings, and right now, Chitang said, "In my arms and in your eyes, the spring breeze is intoxicating." Right now, Chitang, she was really gracefully singing the feelings and her very angelic voices. Everyone seems to be found on her. Wow, she sings so well. Everyone is praising her that she really sings so well. One more song, they're really requesting her. Well, Chitang, she must really try today. Little girl, whatever happens will pass. Oh, it turns out this man, he was really concerned about her. That's why she was here to help her. "Where are you? How are you doing lately?" Signing to the strangers today, it's Pillsbury novel. Oh, right now, it seems that she was really smart. Right now, she's suddenly deleting the message. Well, probably she really got tempted. Since Chitang was here, of course, they really need to wake her up. Right now, Chitang, she walk around again. Probably she really want to find herself, what she want to do in the future. That's why she really want to enjoy this. Chitang didn't reply to anyone's message and just wandered around several cities alone. Oh, it turns out she really not get for this time. A new friend seems to be found. "You want to drink milk tea?" "No, thank you. Been listening here for so long time. How about it? Our singing sounds good." Well, these two girls seems to be in relationship. Well, finally, two girls are saying goodbye to her. "Goodbye, little sister." Oh, they really look good together. Well, it was really envious for her. She don't suddenly see that these two girls are really close to each other. Well, probably she was really thinking something. After the long day, she really get tired. She goes straight. She falls asleep quickly. Suddenly, there is someone popping on her head. Who could it be? Who's the one who's going? Suddenly, Yu moved closer to Chitang. She really kissed her gently. Well, maybe she knows Chitang really needs her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support the channel, you can join by joining the membership, or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!